Don't miss this 2011 Jeep Liberty. It's equipped with automatic transmission and features a bright silver metallic exterior. With 30,969 miles, you'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Contact JT's Chrysler Jeep Dodge at 888-255-4016 and see this vehicle firsthand.